Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to unbox my new action camera, the Akaso V50 Pro. So I am going to unbox this and let's see what's inside. So let's get started. So this Akaso V50 Pro comes with Ultra HD Native 4K edition with wireless connection and also a waterproof casing, and also comes with waterproof to 98 feet and a touch screen and image stabilization. And also it comes with adjustable view angle lens. So here it is, guys. So it needs to fit that thing on top and twist it. Okay. Wow, so this comes with a waterproof casing, and if you can see here, it's waterproof. So in here, in this box, there is a remote control, and this and another one here, then got strap, and also there is another strap and screw. For the waterproof under the water, and another screw. I don't know how to do it, but I'm gonna see in the manual later. And one more. And another one more. And this one here. And one more. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna work it out. And battery. And one more battery. And the charger, I think this one, I don't know how this, and this charger, another one here, and manual, and that, and no more. So I think that's it. Wow, there's a lot in here. So massive, so many things for this camera. Absolutely beautiful, and I like it. So this comes from the box. All are amazing. So that's it, guys. That's all my unboxing, and I hope you like it. And I hope if you like my channel, please subscribe and like, and I see you on my next video. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.